Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at the store. First, let's get you set up. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is compatible with Apple Pay. Then, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add your credit or debit cards. You might need to verify your card with your bank, which usually takes just a few moments. Once your cards are added, you're ready to make secure and convenient payments. When you're ready to pay with your iPhone, it's incredibly simple. Just double-click the side button to quickly bring up your default card. Then, authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Finally, hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless payment reader. You'll know the transaction is complete when you see Done and a check mark on your screen. Paying with your Apple Watch is just as easy and convenient. When you're at the checkout, simply double-click the side button on your watch. This will bring up your default payment card. If you want to use a different card, just swipe to select it. Then, hold the display of your Apple Watch within a few centimeters of the contactless payment terminal. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a chime confirming your payment is complete. Apple Pay offers robust security features to protect your financial information. Each transaction uses a device-specific number and a unique one-time transaction code, meaning your actual card number is never shared with the merchant. This significantly reduces the risk of fraud. Plus, you'll experience faster checkout times and greater privacy, as you don't need to hand over your physical card. It's a secure and efficient way to pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.